Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sonam Kothari. I am co-founder of Butterfly Learnings. I am a pediatric neurologist and a PCP. Does stem cell therapy helps autism or does it cure autism? Autism spectrum disorder, the kids with autism spectrum disorder, every parent is actually struggling to make their child better. They are desperate to just help the child in whatever way they can. And that's how a therapy named stem cell therapy has picked up, and it claims that it can cure autism or it can treat autism or it can just make a child of autism neurotypical. Stem cell therapy is basically a therapy which is on the research or on the trial basis. There is no, the Indian guidelines doesn't suggest that stem cell therapy to be used as a therapeutic model for any of the disorder. Moreover, because it's a research, it's still in a research mode. There is no human trials. There are no really, the trials which are supposed to happen have not happened to prove that this therapy can actually cure anything. It definitely cannot cure autism. Yes, after the stem cell therapy, what they do usually is an intensive therapy, that is ABA therapy, OT therapy, speech therapy, whatever therapy is available. They give an intense therapy for the next 3 months after the stem cell therapy is done. So once they do it, they give that therapy. During that period, the child definitely improves. But the improvement is not because of the stem cell therapy, it's because of the intense therapy, allied therapies what they are giving, be it occupational therapy, speech therapy, ABA therapy or any other therapy what they are giving. Stem cell therapy alone, if you don't do any therapy and just give stem cell therapy, it will not change the child. Even after 3 months, once the child gets discharged and he stops the therapy, the child goes back to the square one. That means if stem cell therapy and 3 months of therapy actually had helped, then after stopping the therapy, the child should have been continuing the same process or he should be developing well. It usually doesn't happen. The moment the normal therapies are stopped, the child goes back to the original state. So basically, you have spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees in giving the stem cell therapy. It's painful, the stem cells are removed from the child, they are put back in the child, all those things are done. Then you gave intensive therapy, you spend a lot of money, but once the therapies are stopped, the child is back again to the state where he was before. So, stem cell therapy is not a proven form of medication or proven form of medical treatment to cure autism. Please, parents, don't go for it. It will just suck money out of you, out of the pocket. It will take a lot of money. It is not even a one-time process. The process, they will say it is required 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Every time you have to pay 3 to 5 lakh rupees and you will be losing lakhs and lakhs of rupees, but the change in the child won't be there. I understand the parents are desperate to make their child better. Please use any form of evidence-based therapies to help your child rather than using a non-evidence-based method and losing money, patience, as well as trust on therapies or treatments that are available for autism. Thank you.